Ngiyanizwa nje nithi ngiamaqanda amahulumani ngiqanda ubani. Mina niyazi ukuthi ngiqanda laba qanda lendlovukazi yami. Uma mkhulu umseleku umacele. Engapheli imandla. Mina-ke lo iqanda la.
Hello guys and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe. I absolutely appreciate it. So guys, Usne posted this video and people on the comment section, some people were saying that, oh, Umacele is such a wonderful woman, you know, she's always been there for Usne. She has actually never given up on Usne. She would rather go against her husband just to protect Usne, just would Usne abe right. So some people were saying that it's clear ukuthi Usne and her dad ngathi abawelelani kahle nje of late, because Usne simazi nje engumuntu okubreaka ngokuthi yena udla imali kababa wakhe, nxa abantu bethi Sine udla imali lamadoda and everything, Usne athi imali kababa wakhe noma yini nje etiphatha imali Usne, i-defense mechanism yakhe was to say imali kababa wakhe. But now Usne usithi yena uyiqanda lamamkhulu, iqanda laMacele. We would have expected her to say ukuthi yena uyiqanda likababa wakhe ngoba phela simaze yena ngumuntu odla imali kababa wakhe and everything. But it seems like ever since nje Usne wabiza ubaba wakhe nge-toys, ngathi ziyajika izinto. Anyways, some people were actually saying that Usne ingane zakho kumele ukuthi ngayizo manje ezithi zona zingamaqanda akho, kodwa wena usasebhizi manje uthi iqanda likamamkhulu umdala ungaka. But anyways, what can we say? Usne. Anyways, thank you so much guys for watching. Please do let me know what you think on the comment section. Otherwise, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.